Hello, this is Jason Chantry. I'm recording my video for Enhancement 1. First, to demonstrate the template that I created. Everything is, all of the CSS is an external file. I can show you here. So I have my template and my home page. All of my common files, footer, header, navigation, are in the common folder. And CSS, the main CSS file is there. You can see that with the code that I submit. So going over my template here, right now I have it in a Galaxy S5, but everything seems to be functioning. That actually pulls up links to my other actual homepage, but nothing right now is actually linking to anything because I don't have anything to link to, but the form seems to work okay. If I go out, actually just make this responsive. I have 3 different sizes, so as you get bigger, the text gets bigger and all of that, so do my borders and all that. So I started off with that thinking would be pretty good. Let's go over to this page here. Again, we're responsive, so it changes from a mobile up to larger. I also tried to, took me a little while, but figured out how to overlay when I go down smaller the opaque white background. So all of these are, again, not linking to anything because I don't have those pages created. But the home page is there. I have my rocket reviews and my featured recipes, which are links currently. As I get bigger, this disappears, and as I get even bigger, as shown, it'll separate into left and right. I use Flexbox for that, for a lot of this. Just getting familiar again with Flexbox, but learned a lot during this assignment, so that was good. So I think that's pretty much it. Go back to my mobile version, so it's small and kind of everything fits into there. And show you my validation over here. I use the W3C validation, so CSS and HTML, there are no errors on my template, and my home page have no errors there. Have a warning here, but that's something I haven't been able to look up and see what really it is, but there's no errors. So so we're all validated with CSS and HTML, and I think that's pretty much it. So please feel free to review the code I submit, and thank you.